chapter of our group, which is chapter 17. We will tackle about pricing decision and the law by Dennis P. W. Johnson. So I will introduce myself first. My name is Angel Marie Gisa Nadeo, your presenter for today. So who is Dennis P. W. Johnson? Is a seasoned attorney specializing in areas like labor and employment litigation, antitrust law, commercial contracts, and public civil litigation. Works at Jones, Jones and Johnson and called PC based in Chicago. Johnson has a long career, having started as a associate in 1979 to become equity partner in 1987. He holds degree from Albright College and the University of Chicago Law School. His expertise also extends to securities law, wrongful death cases, and business law. Jensen is a member of several bar associations, including the Chicago and State Bar Association. So, what is Pricing Decision and the Law by Dennis P. W. Johnson? Explores how legal frameworks shape business pricing strategies. The book addresses key issues like price fixing, predator pricing, and price discrimination, all of which are restricted by antitrust law. It also covers how international regulation impact pricing decisions with case studies such as the Intel rebates case. Johnson's works provides a detailed understanding of the legal consideration businesses must take into account when setting prices to avoid potential violations. So pricing decision dili lang kay uh, kung unsa kung gusto sa pagpresyo but naa jud say prinsipyo kung unsa ang dapat ug kailangan sa matag uh, product natong i-showcase dili lang kay product but also quality and quantity and price. In business, understanding the legal aspect of pricing is crucial to avoid violation of antitrust law. Practices like price fixing, predator pricing, and price discrimination can lead to significant legal risk. Companies must also be aware of international regulation that impact pricing decisions. Like sample monopoly, sometimes sa monopoly is control nila ang pricing. Like masabutan na ang isa ka business kay ani ang price para makontrol nila ang ilahang kita sometimes smuda po pa jud ang ilahang kita example like sa mga supplier nila ilang o maayo and then ang ilang supplier murag wala na kita so sometimes luoy po at ang mga supplier sa businesses kay sila man ang maduot so ang atong balaod nag-provide food o law about sa business. So the next reporter is the KP.
So, good day everyone. I'm John Mark BTB and I'm the last reporter for the chapter 17. And I'm going to report about the antitrust law. What is antitrust law? Refers to the regulation designed to promote fair competition and prevent monopolistic practices in the marketplace. These laws prohibited activities such as price fixing, market manipulation, and unfair business practices that reduce competition. Their primary goal is to protect the consumers from anti competitive behavior by ensuring businesses compete fairly, leading to the lower prices, better quality, and innovation. So, ang antitrust laws are rules that promotes fair competition sa isa ka business. They stop companies from doing things like setting unfair prices, pag-control sa markets, or using practices na makahurt sa competitors. This goal is to protect the consumers by keeping prices fair, improving sa ilang quality, and encouraging innovation. Examples of such laws in the US include the Sherman Act, Clayton Act, and Federal Trade Commission Act. Next slide, please. Important notes. Understanding how pricing practices are regulated to avoid legal issues such as price fixing, price discrimination, and predatory pricing. The book highlights how these practices violate antitrust laws and outlines the importance of the following legal guidelines when making the pricing decision. So this report explained how pricing practices like price fixing, price discrimination, and predatory pricing can break anti-laws. It emphasized the importance of following legal rules when the setting prices to avoid legal problems. It also discusses the international pricing regulation and why businesses need to stay informed to stay compliant and reduce risk. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Thank you. The last is the four things to remember. The first one is the antitrust laws, pricing, fixing, price discrimination, and predatory pricing are illegal practices under the anti-regulation. So these illegal moves like price fixing or unfair pricing can land you into the serious trouble under the antitrust. Second is the legal constraints. Businesses must ensure pricing strategies comply with the both local and international laws. Your pricing strategies should always follow the local and global laws with no shortcuts. Third is the risk management. Companies need to avoid pricing decisions that could lead to lawsuits or fines. Playing in safe with your pricing decision can save your company from costly lawsuits and fines. The last one is the case studies. Real world example, such as Intel rebates case, show the practical implementation of pricing violation. Look at the cases like Intel rebates case is to see how the rules work in the real world and why breaking them is in a bad idea. And that's all for my topic. And thank you. God bless.
So we will have a short quiz. We'll give you seven items of all, and hopefully you will submit it in link or anything that should be submitted to us. So first is list down the three PS 1 to 3. Then list down the four things to remember in order 4 to 7. So this this is the last uh, page. So that's all of our report. And thank you in advance.